my name's Alex and I'm going to show you how to draw ice in Photoshop. So I'm going to start with the Freeform Pen Tool, and you can get that by holding down the pen tool and selecting Freeform Pen Tool. And I'll draw some icicles. And then I'm going to right-click, Fill Path. With a light blue color is best to start with. I'm actually going to pick a much lighter gray or blue. And then I'm going to right-click and delete my path. And right away you see my shape. So then I'm going to add a layer above that. And I'm going to keep using the Freeform Pen Tool just because it will allow me to make exact points that I want to make. So the first thing you're going to want to do when drawing ice is figure out where your light source is coming from. So I'm just going to draw a reminder on a separate layer over here that my light is going to come from here. Sometimes it helps to do it around the entire image like this. And then I'm going to go back to my other layer and start working with lighter blue. I'm going to go in and get a lighter blue. Then I'm just going to play around with my lighting options here. And I'm drawing this all on the outside because I'm going to create a clipping mask after I do this. But I'm just going to add it to the parts I feel like the ice will shine. And just can even do something like this. This is my base shine, so this is the first step to the shine that I'm going to add. Then I'm going to fill path with a lighter color. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a clipping mask so that and then I'm going to delete my path. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw ice in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.